There are multiple email notifications that are sent to your customers at different parts of the purchase cycle. So, such as when an order is confirmed, when an order has been shipped, and the like. So, in order to see what your options are and to customize some of them, if you head over back to Commerce and then Customer Notifications, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options here. The first thing is your reply to email. So this is the reply email, or the email that will be shown for customers to specifically reply to. And then the from email, it's important to know you want to put in what your email is if you own the domain. So if this was Megan thebusybee@gmail.com, you don't want to add that in, and that's because email providers will read that as spam. So just keep that in mind. If you forget any of that information, if you just hover over the question mark, it'll explain what each of them are. The first section is header and footer, and that's where you can customize what is included in the header and footer of your emails. So you can add in your logo, business information, anything you want on all of the emails, but we're going to focus on order emails and customer account emails. So the first one is order emails, and here we can see an email is going to be sent when an order is placed or confirmed, when the order is marked as fulfilled, aka shipped, or when the order is refunded, so if an order has been canceled or refunded to the customer. If we click on order confirmed, here we can see everything that is included in this email, and this will all be auto-populated by Squarespace for you. So you can change some of the wording. Their stock emails are set up very well, so there's no need to actually change any of the wording, but if you wanted to make it more quirky or anything like that to fit your brand, you can do that. So there's order confirmed. Here's what the order fulfilled looks like, and that's where it's going to show you where the tracking number is. And then if your order was refunded, and then it'll say how much was refunded. If we head back to customer notifications, we can see customer account emails. And that is where if somebody creates an account, if you have customer accounts, first of all, enabled on your website, and somebody creates an account, it'll shoot them a welcome email, a reset password email if they choose to reset their password, or when they do reset their password, if an email is sent to them when their password has been updated. So again, if we click into them, you can see what the welcome email looks like, and you can go ahead and change that. Now you'll notice on all of these emails, the message is set up in an HTML format. So if you're not familiar with coding, I wouldn't mess around with it too much. And then password updated is down there as well. They all kind of look the same. If you have a Commerce Advanced plan, you can set up abandoned cart recovery, which is awesome. It basically will shoot an email out to a customer at a specific time that you choose. If I click that, there we go. Saying that they left something in their cart. Here you can send give them a promo code off of that product. You can set that all up in abandoned cart recovery. So if you want to convert those, and then those show up in your product analytics as well. And then if you do take donations on your site, you can customize the donations confirmation email. It's a lot more simple there, but just so you know that that's an option there. So the next lesson that we're going to go through is actually a bonus lesson. We are going to walk through how to set up promo codes and essentially run sales for your products on your Squarespace site.